Located on the stunning island of Kefalonia in Greece, Myrtos Beach is a true gem that attracts tourists from all over the world. Known for its breathtaking scenery and crystal-clear turquoise water, Myrtos Beach offers a picturesque setting that is sure to leave visitors enthralled. The beach is nestled between impressive limestone cliffs, creating a spectacular view against the vivid blue sea. The contrast of the white pebbles and the deep blue water creates a truly mesmerizing sight. The beauty of Myrtos Beach has made it a popular tourist destination. Travelers flock to this idyllic spot to bask in the sun, swim in the refreshing water, or simply relax on the soft sandy shore. It's no wonder that many consider Myrtos Beach to be one of the most stunning beaches in Greece. Whether you are looking for an adventure-filled day exploring Kefalonia or simply seeking tranquility by the sea, Myrtos Beach is the best deal. Its unrivaled beauty and serene atmosphere make it an unforgettable place to visit during your trip to Greece.